There's this adage my dad usually used for me, and it's my dialect. Pardon me, I will use it, but don't worry, I'll translate. It simply means a man's morning begins when he wakes up. Recently, I've discovered that I need to separate Gibeni from Gibchain Academy. Prior to this time, you observe that I've been posting crypto tutorial content in my personal account. So henceforth, we're not going to be doing that anymore. So everything that is regarding to crypto trading, forex trading, airdrop, meme, NFT, metaverse, AI, digital skills, every other thing relating to that, we all now be posted in Gibchain official account. YouTube, we just hit 1K subscribers by posting 2 videos recently, and Gibchain Academy is the name. Facebook, Gibchain Academy. Instagram, Gibchain Academy. TikTok, Gibchain Academy. And on Telegram that we do monthly giveaway is Gibchain. I'll be leaving the link also in the comments section. While I will use this my personal brand to document my life journey, share interesting and inspiring stories, drop ways of encouragement for people that might need it, and of course I'm going to make it fun, educative, interactive wise. If you're ready to follow me on this journey, give me a follow now, like and comment follow, and I'll be glad to welcome you. Don't forget, my name is Gibeni and I want to see you at the top.